What is going up, everybody? I hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. So, in today's episode, we are going to be learning how to find support and resistance lines while day trading or trading the market. I don't know if you guys can hear my Alexa. Alexa, turn off. All right. So now that we are ready to rock and roll here, we have a stock up here. This is called JNUG. Where did I go? Here I am. Hold on a sec. That's float on top. Bam. Let's get it. All right. So here we have JNUG. JNUG is a stock that has had a lot of volume and has been doing pretty well. A lot of people trade it. It's kind of an easier stock to trade. It doesn't move as much. You have to have a high, a lot of money, a lot of capital in your broker's account to pretty much make any money with this one. It's not like a penny stock where you have to. You can start out with $1,000 and it can move 10%. This thing is most likely going to move 3-4% during the day. This day looked a little better here. This day was about 10. So, it's all just depends on kind of the day and pretty much how it works. So, how to find a support and resistance line. Now, this is like trading and investing, pretty much not investing, but more along the lines of trading, anything from Forex to Bitcoin to stocks. Now, this is pretty much the support line. Hold up. All right, I just want to make sure myself is good. All right, so the support is what holds the stock up. So let's go to a different stock. Let's go to Ford. We all know Ford Motor Company here. Let's go to 180 day. Okay. Alrighty. So this right here is, if let's say you're watching this stock, and you recently saw it hit $10 and it bounced. Okay. Now there's two plays you can do. Either you can buy it to go long, or you can short it to go for it to go down. But what a real trader will do is pretty much just wait it out. So they wait it out, and then bam, they saw first it popped up a full dollar, which is very good. That's like a 8 or 10% win, which is fantastic. So now this stock kind of falls down a little bit and starts consolidating, and that's normal. After this stock fell pretty hard here. Now it has to find its way, whether up or down. So the next thing it does is it bam falls back to that support level and pops back up. So the support level is where a lot of buyers tend to enter the market, and that's why it pops back up. So there was a lot of support, you could say, at 10.15 to 10.20. There was a lot of support, a lot of people buying it. But all right, now let's shimmy on down here. So it bounced off here, rocked back up, and right here, this is where I bought some shares actually. Because history tends to repeat itself. I found that out. So what I did is at 10, I think it was $10. I don't remember. I'll have to check my Robinhood account because that's where I swing trade my stocks. So I believe it was around $10, depending on the spread. I was up a little bit, and then I was back down. I'm down a lot right now. But I'm just going to continue to hold it. I'm not worried about it here. I believe it should pop back up to $10. And my stop will be around here, 935 area. But I'm not worried about that right now because there's a small position. So I just wanted to see, I don't know, practice strategy, stuff like that. So what I was getting at was this right here. It's not a guarantee support. So you always have to wait for confirmation, and those pushes always um, make or break the strategy. So this right here, this is where people shorted the stock. So it popped all the way down, to 985, and it continued to fall and bounced, But that's not the point. So the point is the support line is where buyers tend to enter the stock. Let's go to Apple. Apple is a very easy stock to read. All right, so it's up crazy. I'm very happy I own shares in this company right now. Okay. Alrighty. Where is... there's multiple support lines and resistance lines. Okay. So we said the support lines was where buyers tend to enter the stock. So if you look here, look right here. Okay, this is where a lot of buyers tend to enter the stock at $162, and because right here it did consolidate right here, which is what you look for, and it did bounce here twice, plus this one, so 3 times it bounced. Now it bounced from here and just kept going up. It just caught momentum, caught fire, and boom, it rocketed up. So, the support is where buyers tend to enter. Now, the resistance line is different. This is where buyers tend to exit or they short sell the stock. And that's where they predict for it to go down. So right here, as you guys can see here, let's see if we can get rid of some of these. I got a song stuck in my head, man. Alright, so that should be a little cleaner. Alright, so as you guys can see right down here, or right up here, I should say. Now this is where buyers tend to sell their positions, and this is where short sellers step in. Because it's pretty easy, because this is where it breaks down, meaning it falls. So it pops from that support all the way up to the resistance. Tested the resistance many times. So tested it 1 up here, that's where we found it. All the way back up here 2. Caught some a little fire 3, 4, and then right here was that resistance breakout. And here's another strategy and kind of thing that you guys should understand with the support and resistance. Many times the previous resistance turns into the new support, and the reason why is because that's where now buyers tend to enter the stock. So this is a textbook example. So this stock had a resistance breakout, meaning it broke straight through with 100% momentum, news, anything, catalyst. So it broke, it started to fall back down, and this previous resistance line is now that new support line. It hit it, a lot of buyers entered the market and popped it up. Now that has what been catching this stock like crazy. It's doing very good. And what's awesome is I bought all the way a while ago. I bought at 156 on the dot. This was one of the most expensive stocks I bought when I first started investing. So it's working out very good for me. I love it. But you just have to understand that all this is going to take practice. So that's why I highly recommend paper trading. And you can do that. I made a YouTube video on it last time. So that is how you find these support and resistance lines while trading the stock market. And you can do this very successfully. I know many of my friends who just do this strategy, and they make upwards of $200 or $300 a week just by swing trading stocks. They still have another full-time job for their income, and this is kind of a side hustle thing. It's awesome. So if you guys have any questions, please sure to comment, like, subscribe. Yeah, if you're new, subscribe. We're trying to get this account to 100. If we did, I'll probably do a giveaway or something small. But thanks for watching, guys. Remember to always stay happy and stay positive. Peace out. Good night. I hope it's super late, as you guys can tell. It's 1:30 a.m. I'm up here. I'm staying awake hustling. All right. Peace out. Good night, everyone.